Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a user account in Microsoft Intune and assign an Office 365 license to that user when created in Microsoft Intune. So please, if you are still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. And if you have any question, you can always leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and I will do my possible best to reply to all your comments. So to create a user in Microsoft Intune, of course, it's also your Microsoft Endpoint Manager admin from Admin Center. So what you need to do, we need to actually just go to users. So under users, you can see we have all the users in our environment, and you can see that most of the users actually are directory synced, which means that these users account are being synced from my on-premises or domain. So because I'm actually syncing my on-premises domain with my Office 365 or my Azure Active Directory environment, whereby I created an hybrid environment. So my users who are actually working, who are created in my on-premises, can actually still log on to Office 365 without any problem. So here, what we need to do right now to create a new user in from Microsoft Intune, and mind you, this user will not be able to log on to our domain environment. So what we need to our domain environment is our on-premises environment. So to create a new user, here you can see we have the plus sign which says new user. So just click on that. And you can see we have two options here. We can actually create a user, that create a new user in your organization, or we can actually invite a new guest user. So we want to actually create a new user account. So for this user account, we say the user's name is going to be the following. So we're just going to enter nora.listout. So you can see nora.listout. It actually gives us a check mark, which means that this name is not in our has not been used before. So the full user's name is going to be Nora Listout, and the first name is Nora, and while her last name is going to be Listout. So here you can see we have the option to actually auto-generate a password, but I can actually just let me create a password, and I'm going to actually send this password to the user. Here you can see we can actually say settings block sign in. We don't want to actually block sign in, and we need to actually enter the user's location, because without you entering the user's location, you will not be able to assign a license to that user. So I'm just going to actually select Belgium, that the user lives in Belgium. And also we also have the option to actually just, for example, I can say for the job title, maybe the user belongs to the sales sales manager, and she belongs to the department of sales, and the company name she belongs to is Curve Global ICT. And actually I can actually give her a manager. At this moment we don't have any manager for her, but I can just say that her manager is, let me just click at Sandra to be her manager, and then we can now create an account. But mind you, the account just created successfully, but this user still does not have an Office 365 license. So what we need to do right now is I'm going to actually set for the user I just created, Nora. So you can see that is Nora Listout. You can see it says directly synced is actually no, which means that this account is created on your Office 365 and not from on-premises. So what we need to do is, let me just click this account. So by clicking the account, you can see it now gives us a lot of information about the user. So here we can do a lot. We can actually edit this user, reset the user's password, delete this user, and also we can see we have some other information here. We can actually assign roles, groups, and applications. But right now we're actually interested in the license of the user. So let me just click the license. You can see it says at this moment we don't have any license assignment found. So what we need to do is to click assignment. So by clicking assignment, you can see in my environment I have two licenses I can assign to this user. We can assign the enterprise mobility plus security. If I click on that, you can see we have the different options we can actually assign to this user. I can only just assign the Microsoft Intune, for example, to the user, and then I can go to the Office 365 and decided to also just assign a specific license to the user. So but let me just assign the following to this user and say, okay, this user only need a Microsoft Intune and also the Office 365, which of course will allow the user to get access to the Office software. So what we need to do right now is just to click save. By clicking save, you can see that it says the license has been assigned. So if I do a refresh right now, It says you can see it says no license assignment found. So it can take some seconds for this to actually get refreshed. Here you can see it says enable services 1 out of 9, and also we have the 50/50 for the Office 365 E5 license. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. If you have any question concerning Microsoft Intune, Office 365, Azure Active Directory, and Windows Server, you can always send me a personal email. I'm going to leave my email in the description of this video, or you can leave a comment in the comment section of this video and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.